Welcome to Virtual Chemistry. My name is Matt Christopher and I'll be your teacher for this course. I want to give you a little background on the layout of the course on Learning Point and where you can find all the things that you're going to be doing for this course and all the cool videos and exciting learning opportunities you'll have. The first thing here you can see are the announcements, and those here are located. Usually what you'll see here for the announcements, initially you'll see announcements, key information you'll need for the course. Here it says click on start with the right to begin. Click on start here, you'll see course expectations as well as the course syllabus here in a print friendly format. You'll want to read through that, print through that, bring that to class for the second lab. Course expectations here, this is in general the way the course is laid out. Here you'll have a page that shows some of the content information. Over here as a table of contents. If you click either of these buttons, you can move forward or back. This here is a calendar of all the assignments we'll be doing, so it lists everything in terms of the lessons and the practice and video, the point values, assignments, due dates, and what are called required discussion questions. Here it'll lead you through how to be successful in an online course, how to turn in your work and stay connected with me and with your other students. They will be your lifelines in helping you out in the course. So here it gives you some guidelines for what is expected in the course, how to get started on the course, learning online, details for success, and how do you turn in the work in this online course. Much of it will be done electronically. There will be a few things you'll turn in during your lab sessions on Monday. So here it says, staying connected to learning email. You can establish your own email address through Google so that you can connect, and you need to make sure you have your email account updated to Learning Point number 2 right here. So from the front, make sure you update that first before you do anything else. Here it has the learning units we'll be using for the course. Every learning unit has a little outline of what we'll be doing for that week and what will be assigned and when it is due. One of the assignments that you'll be doing are lessons in the lab manual that are labeled here. And when it says lesson RQ, that means what is required for that lesson is a required discussion question. So one of the questions on the lesson, or two of them, will be turned in. To turn in those required discussion questions, you go over to RDQ, click on the RDQ, and it gives you a prompt here with some helium balloons. It gives you information to fill in, what week it is, and you'll be listing the question and the answer to the question for each of the questions. And there's usually no more than 9 questions in a week, usually less than that. And then a little bit about your opinion, how did it go for that particular week, and then other comments. And these here are thoughts to how to make the course better for course improvement. The next section that you'll be actively involved in is the discussion board. And in the discussion board, you'll be including information about yourself, some safety discussion, questions and concerns if you are having questions about the course or having trouble with it, or you need an answer that someone else might be able to answer. That's a really good place to go to first. And then you'll have discussion posts here, in which you'll post 2 questions that are easy to answer. So 2 things in the lessons or in the worksheets that are easy to answer, and 2 things that were difficult to answer. And then you'll respond to 2 other students' posts, and that will give you credit for the discussion posts. The next section is called the Virtual Officer Chat. This here has a program called Blackboard IM. It is geared for the learning environment of Learning Point, and it'll allow you to be able to click on and to chat with classmates or myself anytime that we are available and online to chat about the course. So this is an ideal way of being online and actively engaging with others as you guys are working through the curriculum and as you're having questions. Another way to communicate is to become a member of the Virtual Chemistry Facebook group. And to do this, you can just friend me at Matt Christopher and look for the picture of Westview for that. And then you'll be able to I'll add you to the Facebook group, and you'll be able to communicate on a real-time basis with everyone that is in the Facebook group about questions, concerns, and it's a non-graded environment to allow you to be able to chat and communicate. Some other things here is your gradebook. So here you'll be able to view your grades. I don't have personal grades because I don't have a grade for the course. And then resources here. Here's practice worksheets, chemistry tutorials, and web connections. These are really helpful for any concept. So practice worksheets. And down here it gives some background on me, and I have a YouTube channel as well as a Facebook virtual chemistry Facebook group, which involves students that have taken chemistry before, and some of them are there to help you and guide you as well as myself. So that's a little background to how the course is set up. Most of your work will be done here in these learning units, and you click on like Unit 1, Atomic Structure, and here it gives you how to get started in the lab, things you'll need to do for the lab. Things for Unit 1, it has lessons, activities, quizzes, and you'll be able to navigate through the format. So look forward to seeing you soon, and look forward to online chemistry.